Court Uncut, what the people want.
And now we're here with Ypsilanti Township versus Derek Todd McGuire, 23T000660M.
Again, Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Is there an attorney here for Mr.?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that. This is Matthew Mansour, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. McGuire. Mr. McGuire, can you please state your name?
Yeah, my name is Derek McGuire, Derek Todd McGuire.
Good morning, Mr. McGuire.
How you doing, young lady?
I'm doing just fine, thank you.
Okay.
This is a day and time.
Okay, I like your hairstyle.
This is a day set for a settlement conference. Can the attorneys have an update?
Your Honor, at this time, the township is not in a position to proceed to trial.
Okay.
Defense would move to dismiss, please.
One more time. State that one more time.
The defendants, your attorney, Mr. McGuire, the defendant's motion to dismiss the case is granted without prejudice.
He is or he was granted.
Mr. Mansour, is your client being held on anything else?
Your Honor, I'm double checking right now. It looks like he's being held on a $100 bond that's coming up on December 11th.
Okay. This case is closed out, and so I'll leave you to your work on the other case.
Thanks, Your Honor.
All the bond conditions are released.
Thank you. We're all set, Mr. McGuire. Your case is closed here.
My case is closed?
Your case is closed.
Okay. Cool.
You can let the deputies know your hearing is over on this case, and your attorney will be in touch with you on your other case.
Okay. You know what? Dyn-O-Mite.
Take care, Mr. McGuire.
Dyn-O-Mite McGuire is here. All right. Can you...
The pleading that is before this court is a petition to establish the parent-child relationship and petition in suit affecting the parent-child relationship AOP with 2 children. May I have announcements, please?
Dimitri's house for the state of Texas, and the state is ready to proceed.
Thank you. Let the record reflect that Mr. Christopher Flores is present. He is representing himself in this legal action. And we also have Ms. Priscilla Rodriguez. She too is present and representing herself as well. Ms. Rodriguez, are you ready to proceed today, ma'am?
Yes, I am.
And Mr. Flores, are you ready to proceed today, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Both of you, please raise your right hand. You swear or affirm the testimony you provide this court will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth will help you God.
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. You can lower your hands. Ms. House, it's my understanding we have a request from the court.
Yes, Judge. I believe Mr. Flores is requesting genetic testing on one of the children where there purports to be a valid acknowledgement of paternity. And so his allegation is that he did not sign that AOP, and he always had doubts about this child.
Okay, Mr. Flores, let me hear from you. We have 2 children before the court, and you're asking for genetic testing. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. Okay. So even before we had children, our relationship was rocky, ma'am. I found out Miss Rodriguez was pregnant because of the simple fact that the day that she had bumped into my grandmother, causing her to have an injury to her forehead, she ended up getting 72 stitches, ma'am. That morning I had snapped. It was over because of her seeing a strip club wristband on my arm, ma'am. It's all on file. She woke me up, hitting me and all this stuff, ma'am. And as we were walking out my room, she bumped into my grandmother, causing her to fall, hit her head, ma'am. and I snap, ma'am. I take medication. I take medication every morning, ma'am. I have
Mr. Flores, let's just take.
so just I guess just to get to the point. So I get arrested. I get arrested for impeding breath on a pregnant person. That's how I found out she was pregnant. Mrs. Rodriguez tells me and my brother tell me that they knew she was pregnant even before I knew, ma'am. And now getting to the second child. I was breaking up with Miss Rodriguez, ma'am. I was going to end the relationship with her until she snapped. She held a knife behind her back, ma'am. That day I tried breaking up with her. I called law enforcement to get to allow me to walk out of her building, out of the house. She tells the cops that I was trying to hurt her or stab. I was put on CPS. Among CPS,
Mr. Flores, hold on one second. So let's take this really slow. I know you're emotional.
it's more than that, ma'am. I've waited over, ma'am. I put myself on child support. I wanted my son, ma'am, because the simple fact that she started child support with my firstborn, ma'am. The simple fact she stopped it was because she knew she was going to have to take a paternity test for my second child. My mom has proof. My mom has has evidence of her texting my mom, telling her, "Oh, I don't think my firstborn is his." Ma'am, there's just multiple things that, and let alone, ma'am, like,
Hold on, take it easy. So you have doubts that the children may not be yours.
ma'am, I was working 11-hour shifts, ma'am. Like, for her to be pregnant, ma'am, I hadn't even touched her. You know what I mean, ma'am? Like,
Hold on.
and
So on the acknowledgement of paternity,
I never signed a paper. I don't even know how that, ma'am.
Hold on. I get it. I'm just trying to get the information on the record.
I'm
So
sorry, ma'am.
that's okay.
Yeah.
So
But
you're saying you did not sign this document?
no, ma'am. I even went forth to proceeding to get a paternity test with the second child, and I had to get a paper notarized, or I forgot what the paper is, ma'am. I was trying to submit it to the courts because the simple fact that I was trying to get not just paternity tests with my firstborn, but also with the secondborn as well, ma'am. Like,
Okay.
I
I hear you and I understand your request. So we're going to take it one step at a time. So right
Thank
now,
you,
your
ma'am.
request is for paternity testing.
for both children, ma'am.
Understood. So Ms. Rodriguez, do you have any issues about the request for a paternity test?
No issues at all. As long as we can go ahead and be there and he's not there where I do not have to see him. It is hours ahead, so he's not in the area, as I do not feel safe.
I put myself on child support because she threatened to take away my son from me, ma'am.
Mr. Flores, hold on a second.
I'm sorry. I'm just. It took me 5 years to get to this point, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I
So
was threatened by her a lot.
understood. Ms. House, what is the state's position on the request for genetic testing?
Judge, the state would object because there seems to be a valid AOP.
Okay. I'm looking at the pleading, both children, they're very young. Victor was born in 21. Dior was born in 22. I don't see any orders regarding the children that are before the court, so I will grant Mr. Flores's request over the state's objection. Please do not leave because we're going to have someone schedule appointments for you.
Thank you.
So that's our first step. And then we're going to have another court date so that we can get the results in. So Melissa and Iris will get dates and Melissa will go ahead and schedule you. So
thank you so very much. Thank you so very much.
You can now become a member of Court Uncut, where you get early access to videos, exclusive member-only content, a Court Uncut badge, and more. Thank you for all your support. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.